my beautiful people. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button. From the title, you guys can already tell what we're making today. Air fried lemon pepper wings, and let's make it. So what I'm doing here, I'm seasoning my chicken wings. You see that's the most important seasoning. These are lemon pepper chicken wings. But the rest of the seasonings will be listed down below. I'm also adding oil. Oil helps it as well with some crispiness as well as the cooking process. And the flour is also going to provide it with some crispiness. But what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So make sure you get them bad boys well seasoned. I'm also going to allow my chicken to marinate. Depending on how much time you have, overnight is always better. But yeah, I'm going to season it. Well, I'm going to have my meat marinate for maybe about 30 minutes. And then we're going to make them. Alright, so into my 400-degree air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken wings. I allow my chicken wings to go for about 15 minutes on each side or until golden brown. But to be on the safe side, you want to do at least 15 minutes. So while our chicken wings are going for the 15 minutes on that one side, let's go ahead and make our lemon pepper sauce. I went ahead and I added 2 tablespoons of butter. Into this, I'm going to add in some garlic powder, about a tablespoon, as well as lemon pepper. Now, lemon pepper is a very strong seasoning, so you don't want to put that much or then it'll be too lemony, and we don't want lemony wings, although these are lemon pepper wings. Alrighty, so look at my chicken wings. They're looking good already. But we do have to go ahead and cook the other side. So what I'm doing here is flipping my wings, allowing them to cook for about another 15 minutes. Alrighty, so at this point, our chicken wings are done. If you didn't want any lemon pepper sauce on them, you are more than welcome to go ahead and munch on these. So I'm grabbing my lemony butter sauce, and we're going to brush them on each of these chicken wings. Y'all, look how good this looks. But what you do to one side, you want to do to the other. Alrighty, and there you have it, our air fried lemon pepper chicken wings. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.